I have spent 14 years in corporate, working in London and Dubai, collaborating with people across the world. And if you've been in enough meetings like me, I'm sure you can relate. There's one person in every meeting who somehow knows what to say, how to say, when to say. They remember every deadline, they use those buzzwords, and they sound like they've prepped all week. Meanwhile, you're just nodding along in the meeting, secretly Googling half of the terms that they are using. But here's the truth. They might not be as smart as they appear. They might just be using AI tools to sound smarter. Today, in this video, I'll show you 5 tools that will help you sound sharp, clear, and confident in meetings, even if your brain is running on low battery. If you're new here, my name is Garima, and on this channel, we talk about how to leverage AI to grow in your careers. Okay, so the first tool that I'm going to talk about is Google Notebook LM. It is kind of my low-key superpower, but ever since I've started using it, there's no going back. Think of Notebook LM as this AI-powered notebook where you dump all your documents, meeting notes, research papers, and then actually ask questions about it. For example, instead of digging through this 42 pages report, I can just upload it on Notebook LM and ask questions like, give me top 5 key trends, and it just answers my question clearly and with context. It's like having that assistant who not only reads everything but also understands it. You can also ask follow-up questions like how GenAI will help in decision making in organization, or anything that fits your job. I use this most when I want to sound sharp in meetings, especially the ones where I did not get enough time to prep for it. I'll upload all the docs I have, ask a few questions, get a gist, and boom, I'm prepped for the meeting. I sound like I know everything even though I have skimmed through everything last minute. You know, life happens. And the best part is that the output is dependent on the resources you have provided. So unlike those regular chatbots, this one is working only with your own content. It neither hallucinates nor gives you random advice. It pulls the information directly from the resources you had provided. This way, it's more reliable, and yes, it's 100% free. So if you're juggling multiple projects or just want to stay one step ahead without burning out, Notebook LM is honestly a lifesaver. Definitely recommend trying it out. If you like this tool, you can watch this video to explore what all more you can do with Notebook LM. In this video, I talk about how you can leverage Notebook LM to generate multiple income streams. Tool number 2 is Microsoft Copilot. If you have the Microsoft stack, then Microsoft Copilot is the perfect tool for you. It's like that quiet, brilliant teammate who jumps in exactly when you need help and never steals the credit. I use Copilot mostly with Microsoft Word and Teams, and it's wild how good it is. For example, if I'm using Teams, it will summarize the discussions for me and it will tell me about the important decisions made during the meeting. So if you zoned out for a bit, well, no judgment here, but you can still catch up. Copilot is that one colleague who listens in every meeting, takes flawless notes, writes up your follow-up emails, builds your project status report, and somehow still has the time to help you analyze 300-row Excel sheet. Only difference, it doesn't ask you to circle back or touch base later. And the reason why I love it is I have everything at one place. For example, I don't have to Google how to use VLOOKUP multiple times. Also, I can sound more confident in meetings because I already have a clean summary or a chart that I can refer to in the meeting that Copilot helped me make. It's like having a personal analyst built in your workflow, especially if you're using Microsoft 365. Tool number 3 is our own favorite, ChatGPT. So I know ChatGPT is kind of everywhere, but let me tell you how I use it to sound more confident in meetings, especially if the conversation starts heading into an unfamiliar territory. As part of my job, I have to work with clients in multiple industries, and it's true that I don't know everything. So sometimes before a meeting, I ask ChatGPT certain questions like explain API integrations with examples like I'm 12. So in this case, ChatGPT will explain me about API integrations word by word in simple English language. Another example I've asked previously is give me 3 talking points I can bring up if the client talks about automation in finance. It gives me enough clarity to walk in a meeting with confidence without fumbling or sounding like I don't know or just simply nodding in the meeting. I usually use ChatGPT to summarize complex topics in simple language. If someone drops a buzzword in the meeting like RAG pipelines, I quietly type it in ChatGPT and it explains me in plain, simple language. Sometimes I even prep answers to common questions and keep it in my notebook like a cheat sheet. You can tailor ChatGPT to match your role or style. For example, I have one set up to speak like a seasoned technical leader. It gives me more formal sounding responses that I can use in meetings with client stakeholders. The next one is AI Meeting Notes Taker. This one is completely underrated but such a time saver. In the recent past, I have used a lot of AI tools to take meeting notes, and it's completely changed how I handle meetings these days. There are so many AI notes taking tools available on the internet. You can simply start using one, try with the free trials, and see how you get on. Otter.ai and Fireflies.ai are my two personal favorites. The way these tools work is that they join the meeting that you are in, be it Zoom, Google Meet, or anything else, and they'll start taking notes on your behalf. They transcribe everything, they pull out action items, they summarize the meetings, and highlight the important decisions taken during the meeting. So immediately after the meeting, you get like a clean, shareable summary. You can review it, you tweak it when it's necessary, and boom, you are ready to send it to your stakeholders. Done and dusted. It makes the entire process so much faster and makes you sound so smarter. So gone are those days when you had to record the meetings, rewatch them multiple times to capture the important notes. Now it's the time to use these AI tools to make your job really easy. Like I said, there are multiple tools in the internet. Just start using one. Make sure that it's approved by your company's policies. Last one on the list is WordTeam. You know those moments when you're writing a follow-up email and you are staring at the screen. How do I make sure it doesn't sound too casual or it doesn't sound too robotic? And that's where WordTune comes in. I use it to change the tone of my sentences and make sure that it's an appropriate language that I can use with the recipients. And honestly, it doesn't have to be just in an email. I literally copy paste whatever rough notes I have, and WordTune give me a cleaner, sharper, and more professional version of the same text, just like magic. Need to sound more formal? Click. Need to sound more friendly? Click. Shorter, clearer, smarter? Click, click, click. The other day, I was following up with a client about a document that I had sent earlier, but I had not got a response from them. So I went to WordTune and pasted my text. Just wanted to check if you saw the doc I sent yesterday. As you can see on the screen, there are various options. I can either rewrite it completely with AI, I can make it formal, especially if I'm working with a client, like in this situation, or I can make it casual if I'm sending this to a co-worker. In each of these tones, there are multiple options to choose from. I generally use it to polish up my talking points just before a meeting, and it's also useful for writing big, long documents. So no need to overthink about every sentence. And it's great for writing quick recaps or summaries immediately after the meeting. You don't have to work hard to be the smartest person in the room. You have to have the right AI tools that help you sound smarter. These AI tools have seriously made my work meeting so much easier, faster, and less painful. If you've been feeling that everyone is 2 steps ahead, give these tools a try. They'll quietly become your new work besties. Let me know in the comments if you're already using any of these tools, and if there's a tool that you swear by that others should check out. And if this was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to share it with your work buddy. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.